Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today's reading is about no contact situation. Okay, this is a general reading, guys. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So, this is for all the signs. So, let's see what the cards have for you. Think of the person and let's see what their feelings. And this is a no contact, as I mentioned. Okay, so the overall energy for the situation is Ten of Swords. Okay, so situation feels like as the current energy of you both, okay, in general looks like you think it's over. It's like there is nothing left out to be worked on. It's a it's end. Okay, it might be a painful for you both. It's not a happy ending kind of thing. It was a painful end of a connection, and you may have given your best to work on things, but you have now concluded that it's not going to work like this and it's ended. So that's the general energy or the current energy between you and your person and the relation you were having. Okay, now let's see what are their thoughts about you. Okay, so the thoughts about you is the Hanged Man. So see, somewhere I feel like they are still, stuck. Like you are in their mind, okay, and they are, kind of, even if the situation is over, but you are still on their mind consistently. They are like, not able to take you out from their head, basically. Okay, so they are kind of energetically still stuck in the situation. You are still running in their head 24/7. It's like, and somewhere they are feeling it, it's okay, let it be, let the thought of the person be in my mind. Even if the situation does not work out, how does that matter? So you are still on that person's mind, even if the things are not good as of now in between you both. Okay, so yeah, they are energetically stuck with you and in their in your thoughts. Okay, now let's see what do they feel for you? What are their feelings for you? Okay. So basically, emotions they might be hiding is like, they are seeing the things from a distant. Okay, they are not taking any action. They are just trying to take some time off and seeing and analyzing things and replaying the old time you had spent together in their mind, in their heart. And it's like they are kind of analyzing things from a distance instead of taking any action or any reaction, basically. So they are just kind of reanalyzing things, observing their thoughts, observing their emotions, and trying to figure out what is it and what do they want, and what happened, how it happened, and kind of interrogating themselves, trying to figure out their own emotions, trying to process their emotions so that they can see the things very clearly and take the necessary action if they are willing to any. Okay, now let's see what why do why do they don't reach out to you. What is the thing which is blocking them from reaching out to you? Okay, so do they have any other options? They might be having. That's there is a possibility that they have other options also, and because of which they are stuck. Okay, they are thinking of the time they have spent with you, but at the same time they have other options also to look after or to think after. Okay, so they are kind of stuck, and that is what the thing is, that even if they want to, they are still thinking on figuring out whether they should reach out to you or not. If the situation is ended, but you are still stuck in their mind and they are trying to process their emotions and making a choice between the other options they are having. So it's like basically they are processing on the things whether they should go back to what they already had or they should choose something else from the options what they are having right now. Okay, okay, let's see what is blocking this connection. Let's see what is blocking this connection. See, Two of Swords, not able to decide. So given they have so many options here, they are not able to decide. They are on crossroads whether they should take a move forward, take a step forward towards you, or they should choose somebody else or something else among the options they are having. So they are on a crossroad. They are basically not able to listen to their intuition, or they might not be ready to see things. Okay, it's like not ready to deal with the things for for the sake of uh, it's like not dealing the things like they are not ready to accept what might come out of their choice. So they are like, okay, let's leave it, let's leave the situation how it is. I do not want to go into detail, I do not want to take any action, let the things be. Okay, so as of now they are, that is the reason, that is they are not, that which is blocking this connection is basically their inability to take a decision or to reach into a conclusion, so that they can decide on the next step. Let's see what is the next action, if any, they are going to take by next week. Okay, so they might be, they might listen to their intuition, they might take a leap of faith, and they might, reach out. It's not that they will reach out to you for sure, but they might think of making a decision and taking a leap of faith and going forward. It may be moving towards you or choosing one among the other options they have. Okay, so it can be a new beginning. It's like they we do not know what will they opt, right? So it's like for themselves, it's like they are thinking of, not to be too long in this situation of being in a crossroad, but let's take a move forward, let's move ahead, let's move ahead in life. Okay, and choose among the options they are having. Let's not delay the process anymore, and let's see what will happen. Let me take a chance. Okay, let's see where it will go and all that. So basically that is what is running in their mind. The advice for you for the whole situation is to take actions which is meant for your highest good. Okay, you do not have to wait for all this thing. You have to see what is for your highest good and take an action. You need not take an impulsive decision. You need to be very careful and mindful of the decisions you are making, but stop being on this waiting thing. Okay, I would say analyze everything carefully, communicate effectively what you want, what you expect, okay, and what is that you are really looking for. Okay, so communicate effectively, do proper analysis. I would say avoid taking any impulsive decision or avoid reacting to a particular situation, and basically you need to focus on your goal, what you want, and come out of this waiting energy and move ahead. Okay, so yeah, that's the advice for you, my dears. So this is it, this was a general reading, guys. Please see how it resonates with you. If you have liked the video, please do subscribe to my channel also for the daily tarot insights. Bye bye.